All right. So I'm here with Terry. Terry, where are you from?
Here in Morris right now.
Here in Morris. Okay. What did you originally come to see us for?
Neuropathy issues below the knee, lower part of the leg, and primarily the feet. The feet were very numb. Had walking challenges, the heel to toe ratios and things like that. And mine was brought on from chemotherapy.
Yep. And everybody thinks that's a pretty tough neuropathy.
Correct. And from oncology side, they were leaning that I was about as good as I was going to get, and I just felt I needed to look at other avenues to challenge challenge what's going on and see if I can do something in another avenue.
Yeah. So, what's life like now? We started this in November, therefore we are what, 8 months in?
Yep.
What's life like now, 8 months in?
Tremendous improvement. I experienced, surprisingly, even myself, experienced heel to toe walking improvements within 30 days.
And what does that mean for your balance?
Oh, just tremendous.
And that turns into having less of a risk of falls.
Correct.
It's the falls that we worry about what else you could injure.
And I've always been a very active person, hiking, cycling, so the lack of having that mobility was a real emotional challenge for me after going through the chemos and things I've been through. So having that heel to toe relationship come back, where before our treatments I was walking more shuffle to flat foot, not completely, but I had heel to toe, but I had to concentrate on it. Where within 30 days my concentration was much less. It was becoming back to a normal situation, and now walking 2-3 miles, no problem at all with the feet.
It's awesome. So, let me look at your hands a second here. I was concerned about your color of your hands last time. That's even gotten better.
Yeah, good point.
Awesome.
Of course, it's not wintertime either.
Would you recommend this care plan to someone else?
Yeah, I most definitely would. I am cognizant enough to know that everybody reacts to things differently, both emotionally and physically. So, but like you and I talked about when we started this, we just didn't know where it was going to go.
Yeah.
But not doing something, what answer do you have?
Exactly.
So we're 6 months plus into this. I'm a good 60-70% ahead of where I was when we started this, and I gave myself, if I'm 50% ahead, I got my money's worth.
There you go.
So and we're not done yet.
We're not done yet.
We're not done yet. That's the good part. And we're here. We're doing it, and so feels real good.
Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing your words with the folks at home. This is why I do what I do.
Yeah, and best of luck to you and anybody else that's out trying it. We need to take care of ourselves, and this is one way of doing it.
Awesome.
And good luck to everybody.
Thank you.
Yep.